Hello, welcome to the channel. Right, City and Guilds again, level 2, sample 4 calculator paper this time. Right, let's get the pen. Let's draw the pen, we'll do it in blue. Write 35 as a fraction of 490, give your answer in the simplest form. 35 over 490. I can divide by 5, so that gives me 7. 5 nines are 45. 5 nines are 45. With 4 left over, and 5s into 40 go 8. 7 over 98. Does 98 divide by 7? It does. 1 over 14. Good job as a calculator paper, wasn't it? So 1 and 3/8. Let's turn them into a top heavies. So we've got 11 over 8 plus 48 and 9 is 57 over 16. I'm going to double this one to make this 22 over 16 plus 57 over 16, which is 79 over 16. So how many 16s go into 79? 16 times 5 is 80. So 16 times 4 is 64. So 16, that's 4 with 64 is 1, 5, 15 sixteenths. So that's that one. Which is these are the smallest value? It's going to be, without even working anything out, it's going to be this one. Yeah? This tiny, oh no, it might not be. Oh no, I think we better work these out. Yeah? Because there's a divide by 24. So 6.048 divided by 24 is 0.252. So that's 0.252, and 0.095 divided by 5 is 0.019, and 1.032 divided by 12 is 0.086. It looks as though I was right, wasn't I? 1.274 divided by 7 is 0.182. So it is this one, yeah. I was right. Not always, so keep an eye on me. So what are we doing? Work out the volume of triangular prism. So we need the area of the end, which is half base times height, which equals 0.5 times the base is 16 times the height is 6. So that's 3/16, so that bit equals 48. So then we have 48 times 30, the length. So 48 times 30 is 1440 centimeters cubed. Oh, it's a bit difficult to see this one. What's the coordinate for Highby Station? Where's that? Highby Station's up there. 386. So it's 386 and 439. 439. 386439 there. A woman's going to Spain on holiday. She wants to book a hotel. She finds a hotel charges €84 a night. She thinks this will be about £100. So exchange rate. So 84 divided by 1.12. 84 divided by 1.12 is 75 pounds. So she's wrong. No, it's just too low at 75. An apprentice hairdresser needs to prepare a solution to colour its hair. The client wants high lift shades. The apprentice hairdresser measures out 75 mils of developer. What amount of colour should she measure out? Developer. She wants high lift shades there. So that's a 1 to 1.5, and she's got 75 mil. So if we divide by 1.5 and then multiply by 1, so 75 divided by 1.5 times by 1 is 50 mils. A woman has a new fitness watch. She used the formula to calculate her step length. Step length, measured distance, the number of steps. Her measured distance was 20 and the number of steps was 16. First week so we can work out the step feet thing. Oh, feet and inches. Amazing. So 20 divided by 16 equals the step length, right? So 20 divided by 16 equals the step length, which is 1.25 feet. In the first week, she walked how many kilometers this is, yeah? So multiply that by 67118, and that's the number of feet, times 67118. Total number of feet is millions, yeah? 83897.5. Now to convert that to kilometers, that's feet. 1 foot is that, so that times 0.000348. That should be the number of kilometers, times 0.000348, which is 25.57 kilometers. Secretary needed all 8 boxes of paper clips. Each box costs $7.67. The table shows discount on large orders. What amount will the secretary have to pay? 8 boxes. Right, so 8 times 767 equals 8 times 7.67 equals £61.36. Now, she's spending that much, so she's going to get a 6.5% discount. So multiply that by 6.5 over 100, and this will tell us what the discount is. So times 6.5 divided by 100 is £3.99. £3.99 discount. So we take the price that they pay, 61.36, subtract 3.99. So 61.36 take away 3.99 is 57.37. 57.37. Chairperson of the committee needs to write a report. She needs to compare the fly tipping incidence report in the local area with the fly tipping report nationally. This year, the authority in England had an increase of 8% incidence on last year. Last year, No, this is the local area. Will the chairman explain your answer using figures? So we've got a way difference over the original. So the difference is 11649 minus 11193 will give us the difference. 11649 minus 11193, a difference of 456. So 456 over the original amount, which was 11193, times by 100. So 456 divided by 11193 times by 100 is 4.07%. We'll call it 4%. 4% up. So, will the chairperson write a report about the comparison with so they will write local is 4% up, but national average is 8% up. So they're doing better than the national average. Of Gold Colt wants to tell a beginner how it's performing. He tells the beginner that he should be able to hit a ball 150 yards on average. He tests the beginner and records the distance of each hit. Is the beginner performing at the average level? So find frequency. This is how many times we hit the ball. So let's add that up together, yeah? So 4 times, 4 and 13 and 17 and 6 equals, so we hit the ball 40 times. Now we want to find out how far, so we need a midpoint of that, which is 13, so 4 times 137.5 and 13 times 142.5 and 17 times 147.5 and 6 times 152.5. Right, so let's draw that. So 4 times 137.5 is 550, and 13 times 142.5 is 1852.5, 1852.5, and the next one is 17 times 147.5 is 2507, 2507.5, and the last one is 6 times 152.5, 152.5, which is 915. So let's work out, add all that lot up together. So we got 550 plus 1852.5 plus 2507.5 plus 912. Altogether 5822. So if we do 5822 and divide it by the number of hits, we get an average of the yards. Divided by 40, which gives 145.55 yards. Right, so is the beginner performing at an average level? It should be able to hit the ball 150. No. Only hits 145.55 yards. Average should be 150 yards. A garage sells used cars. When a customer buys a car, the garage will offer an amount to pay for their old car. Customer brings in a ZZX Roadster with a mileage of 70,000. The garage owner estimates the value of his car based on the mileage. He uses a website graphic to find the value. Sale prices of XZZZ, yeah, based on the mileage. He wants to first make an offer to the customer 30% below the value in order to make a profit. What amount should he offer the customer? Right, so we need to do some kind of... where's it gone? No, I'm going to try and draw a straight line there. Oh, it's awful. Awful, sorry. Go on, that'll do, yeah. So, mileage 70,000, which is here. And then go along to there, which is maybe 3,400. So we'll call it 3,400. And he wants to offer the customer 30% below this value. So find out what 30% is and take it away. So 3,400 times 30 divided by 100 is 102, is 1020. Now take that number away from there, 3400, and we get 2380. Oh, hang on, 2380. I'll put that in the wrong line. So I estimated anyway, that the car should have been worth 3,400. Oh, robbery, 30% down. A 22-year-old man wants to apply for the job. He wants to work out how much his annual take-home pay. Staff required for busy town centre. Shifts available 6 till 1. Includes 1 hour break unpaid. 6 days a week. National minimum wage. He knows he has to pay income tax and all that kind of stuff on his take-home pay. Oh, wow. All right, okay. So how many hours? Rate per hour. That's what we've got to work out. Rate per hour. Number. Shifts available 6 till 1. Includes a 1 hour on break. National minimum. 6 days a week. Oh, right. Okay, so from 6 till 1... and a 1 hour unbreak from 6 a.m. till 1 p.m. is 7 hours, but he's going to have an hour break, so he's only going to get paid for 6 hours times 6 days a week is 36 hours a week. Right, 36 hours a week. Now, a 22-year-old man, he is in that bracket. So every week he's going to get 36 hours times £7.70. So 36 times £7.70 is £277.20 a week. £277.20 a week. Okay. Now, taxes up from earnings after personal allowance. Taxable. So this is a year, isn't it? Yeah. So let's find out what that is a year. So 277.20 times 52 weeks. Yeah, he's not going to have any holidays, is he? Right. Times 52 weeks, which makes him earn 14414. Oh, a lot of fours a year. Now, how much is he going to pay on that? So he's going to pay the national insurance. He's going to pay £600. So the deductions is going to be £600 for national insurance, and up to £12,500 he doesn't pay any tax. So now we're going to come down here, 14414.40. Take away his tax-free bit. Whoa. So 144,144. Take away 12500. So that leaves him 1914.40. Yeah, so that's what he's going to pay tax on, and he's going to pay 20% of that. So one, oh, what were the band's annual bill? We've already worked that out. Yeah, see up there, there it is. Yeah. So 1914.40, 20% times 20%. This is the amount of tax he's going to pay times 20 divided by 100. So he's going to pay 382.88 tax. Right, okay. So that's another deduction off his wages. So, come down a little bit here. So he's got 144,140 minus the 600 and minus the 382.88. That's the national insurance and that's the tax. So how much is he left? So 144.4 minus 600 minus 382.88. So he's going to be left, take home 341, get me numbers muddled up, 13431.52. So what's the man annual pay is that, yeah, and then is the second part, show you're working. Is that it? Oh, no. No, it's not that, is it? It's not that. They want, otherwise they wouldn't give you all that tax and stuff, yeah? So the man's actual annual pay after tax and insurance is this. Misleading. A kitchen designer needs to draw a scale plan for a customer's new kitchen. The customer gives the kitchen designer the sketch to show how she would like the cupboards to fit above. There you go, yeah. The base of the large cupboard needs to be 50 centimetres above the worktop, and all these are in millimetres. They would be. Use the scale plan of the elevation of the kitchen wall to show where the kitchen designer should draw the cupboards. Oh my god. Right, let's get. It's a bit small, yeah. So I've got the scale plan down there. So 50 centimetres above the base unit. Oh, what's that, the base? Oh, that's big cupboard, small cupboard. Yeah, two bigs and one small. Right, so 1 to 25. So we've got to work out what 50 centimetres is, yeah? So 50 centimetres divided by the scale, this number here, yeah, equals 2. So the covers is, so here's our bottom line, yeah? Here's our bottom line. Now, the width of the big ones is 50 centimetres. And also the little ones are 50 centimetres as well. So my cupboard model. So we've got the big ones are 50 centimetres. And how tall are they? 750. So they're 75 centimetres. So that will be 3. 75 divided by 25 equals 3. So they're going to be 3 high. 1, 2, 3. Going to be 3 high. Yeah, so we're going to get another one over there that's 3 high. And the other ones are all 50, 50, 50. Yeah, and they're just going to be that high. So we're going to have that and that. Just make sure that they are the same width as each other. Yeah, 50 wide, 50 high, all in centimetres. So there's the kitchen done. A health club produces a survey to come. Let's make it a bit bigger. Produces a survey to compare the average number of hours of sleep of members. Members report their results each week. A woman takes part in the survey and she wears a fitness band which records the number of hours she sleeps. She wants to compare her own results week by week. Last week she slept a mean time of 5:19 with a range of 4:49. This is the record for this week. What are the results that the woman reports to the health club, and what comparisons can she make between her own results? Right. This is the record for this week. Last week she slept. This is the record for this week. Is that the members report their results each week? So this must be the members. So it looks like we've got to work out a mean and a range. Yeah. So for all these people, the members, the range is going to be the difference between the shortest, which is 5 hours and 55 minutes. Yeah, 5 hours 55 minutes, and the longest is 8 hours and 22 minutes. So what's the difference between that? So we've got 33 minutes to make up to 55. Oh, no, it's the other way around, isn't it? Oh. What's the difference between those two times? So we got 5 minutes, takes us up to 6. 7, 8, 2 hours. 5 minutes, 2 hours, and then the 22 minutes. So it's 2 hours and 27 minutes. So range of 4 hours. He's only got a range of... Oh no, 5 hours 49. That's even less. Oh, yeah, got the wrong one there. 5 hours 49. 5 hours 49. $5.49. So the range is now between $5.49. Right, so we need 11 minutes to take us up to 6, and then 2 hours to take us up to 8 and 22. So it's 2 hours and 33 minutes. So comment 1, woman's range is more than members. So the women's range is 2 hours 33, and the members range, the members range is 2 hours 33. Oh, this is a hard one, this. And the woman's range is this one here, 4 hours 49. Right, now we've got to work out the mean of all this lot. Wow. So we've got to add all these things up. So let's add all the hours up. So 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 equals, so I've got 42 hours, right, and all the minutes together are 22 plus 49 plus 59 plus 49 plus 44 plus 16 plus 55 is 294 minutes. 294 minutes. Let's divide that by 60. is 4.9 hours. 4.9 hours. Now 0.9 times 60. 0.9 times 60 is 54 minutes. 54 minutes. Oh gosh, this is hard. So we've got 46. How am I going to divide all that? Right, going a bit wrong here. So 42. So 42 hours. 294. So 294 divided by 60 gives us 4.9. So that is 4.9 hours. So add these two together. So I've got 46.9 hours. Divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide that by 7. So 46.9 divided by 7 is 6.7. 6.7 hours. Right, 6.76 is a 42, so that's 6 hours and 42 minutes. Right, so women's mean at 5 hours 19, at 5 hours 19, is less than members. Wow, this is a question and a half. This 6 hours 42 minutes. Right, that was quite a difficult one. Yes, okay. So, okay, all right. And City and Guilds calculator papers, they're not easy, are they? So, how about subscribing to the channel, and then I'll do some more for you. Yeah, make a comment, see whether I've done anything wrong in this, because I don't know where the answers are. And I'll put it in the description. Put a thumbs up, say you've liked it, or whatever. And there's more videos down below, so follow your nose around the little site and you'll be fine. Okay, see you in the next one.